I'm Trithya and you're watching me on TimesXP. Now, a major case of H-1B visa fraud involving 3 Indian origin men in the United States have surfaced, sending shockwaves across the Indian American community. These individuals have now pleaded guilty to serious charges in the California court. Now, let's take a closer look at what exactly happened and what it means. Now, 3 men of Indian origin, Kishore Dattapuram, a staffing company owner from California, Kumar Aswapathi from Austin, Texas, and Santosh Giri, based in California, were caught in a scheme involving fraudulent H-1B visa application. They currently pleaded guilty to visa fraud and conspiracy charges. Now, this particular case has put a spotlight on visa misuse in a competitive tech job market in the United States. Dattapuram and Aswapathi operated a staffing company called Nanosmantix. It is based in California, which places a tech workers with Silicon Valley folk. Now, Giri worked very closely with them through his own business, Giri, an outsourcing firm dealing with corporate immigration services. And according to court records, their scheme involving filling H-1B applicants by falsely claiming that foreign workers have secured position with the US companies, even though these jobs don't actually exist. The H-1B visa is a pathway for skilled foreign professionals to live and work in the United States, now particularly in the fields like IT, engineering, and medicine. Now, for these visas, US companies must file a form I-129 with the US Citizenship and Immigration Services, ensuring the job position is real and simplifying the job, salary, and duration of employment. However, the 3 defendants bypassed these particular laws by submitting fake job letters. On some occasions, Dattapuram even paid companies to list workers as employees, knowing that they would never actually work there. Now, these tactics allow Nanomatics to quickly secure visas before lining up the real job opportunities, giving them an unfair advantage over other staffing companies. This has raised a concern not only about fraud but also about the implication for genius Indian workers seeking opportunity in the US tech industries. Now facing serious consequences, Dattapuram, Aswapathi, and Giri have been charged with multiple counts. For each charge of visa fraud, they would face up to 10 years in prison and $250,000 fine. They are also charged with conspiracy, which could add up to 5 more years in prison and another $250,000 fine. Dattapuram and Giri are due for sentencing early next year, while Aswapathi will be in court later this month. Now, this particular case has been handled by Assistant US Attorneys Sarah and John James, following a thorough investigation which is led by Homeland Security and USCIS. The Indian American community is watching closely this case, as they could impact perceptions of Indian origin professionals in the US tech field. With increasing competition for H-1B visas, such fraudulent activities risk affecting the reputation of law-abiding Indian professionals in the US. Now, Indian workers have been contributing significantly to the tech industries, but cases like these could lead to stricter visa regulations, potentially impacting thousands who seek to work legally in the US. For more such interesting stories, do follow TimesXP.